Go stand by the wall. Go stand by the wall.
Stand by your sister, please.
Can we do a video?
And then we'll get a video of you. Come on, let's do it so we can do it. Okay, we'll just take one of Bailyn then.
No, I want just another picture for me.
Well, I'll
Okay,
take
ready?
a picture if you get up there and stand by the wall.
Ready? Smile.
For me.
Smile.
I want just my another
1,
picture.
2, 3. Okay, Eloise,
Now, can
we'll
you
get
take
you
a
up there. Get
video?
up there now.
Now, can you take me a video?
She wants one just by herself. I
Okay,
think.
we'll do you, Eloise. Stand up then so we can get you.
I just want not say one. One more Johnny. I want my non to see me.
All right. Well, maybe you should get up and find your dolly.
Where is your dolly?
Could
Hold your dolly and we'll
you
take a
take
picture of you
a
and your
video?
dolly.
That's what I'm doing.
I think I have another one of those dollies I can make up.
Oh, it's fine. We have plenty of toys.
Okay, stand next to the wall with your dolly, Eloise. Ready? Hey, B, stand next to her too, okay, when she gets up there. Stand up, Eloise. You gotta stand up. Eloise, stand up. Please. Just for Nana, please. Well, this is a partial photo.
This is awesome. B, Eloise, you guys want to stand at the wall and I'll take a photo?
Eloise, Mommy's taking a movie. Come stand by the wall. Hey, Eloise, come stand by the wall. Mommy's taking a movie.
Weez, want to stand up?
Mommy's taking
All right,
a
I'm just
movie.
going to take one of Bailini then.
Stand up. Okay, get next to the wall. Eloise. Okay, I'll get one of your bottom then.
Okay, I guess Baylin's just going to be in the video.
Okay, we'll take pictures.
Too bad.
Okay,
Bailyn,
ready?
can you show us your ballet?
Ready? Do your ballet move.
Oh, that's great. Wow.
Oh, baby. That's
Hey, did
very
you tell
pretty.
Nana that you're getting a costume for your
Whoa.
performance in May?
When? What kind of costume?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Does she need one made?
Oh!
Okay. Stand next to each other, girls. Stand. Oh, okay. Just dance. Just dance, and E. Go ahead and dance.
All right. Do you guys want to stand by the wall so I can get a photo of you in your twin clothes?
Oh, that would be a good idea. Stand there. Ready? 1, 2. Stand up, Eloise.
Stand up. Oh, don't pull her arm, please. Okay, ready? Are you guys going to smile? Eloise,
Eloise, stand up. 1,
can you pull your...
3.
Weez, can you stand up, please? Oh, that's nice, B. Hey, Weez, can we see you give a nice pose, too?
Hey, Bailyn, can you come over here and stand next to your sister?
Hey, stand up.
Hey, Bailyn, put your dress down. Hey, put
Hey.
your dress down, girls.
Okay, I guess I won't take a photo.
Okay, we won't
That's
take any
unfortunate.
pictures. That's too bad.
Okay, ready? Smile.
Stand still. Ready? Hey, Eloise, stand up. Okay, then we're not going to take a photo if you don't stand up because it doesn't show.
Okay, we'll just take one of Bailini.
Okay, Bailyn, smile. Okay, then stand next to your sister. Ready?
1, 2.